Yes, I'm Roman, and today I have a very special video for you guys. You will tell me the most beautiful poem in English. I want you to captivate my heart. I want you to win me over, woo me.
Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date.
Oh, that was quite beautiful. But I want you to make it a little bit more modern. Let's say, well, 2024.
Alright, here's a modern take. Can I compare you to a perfect day? You're more amazing and more steady. When light storms come our way, your presence makes everything ready.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now imagine that we're in the 15th century, or wherever Shakespeare was. Make it pre-Shakespeare. I want to feel enamored.
Of course. Let's step back in time. Shall I liken thee to a day of yore? Thou art more fair and constant still. Though tempests rage and oceans roar, thy grace and love my heart doth fill.
Oh, thou art beautiful. Okay, that was... You're welcome. That was simply beautiful. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. With that said, I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. Two things before we start. My name is Roman, so please address me by Roman. And second thing, your name will be Marcelo, okay?
Got it, Roman. And you can call me Marcello. What can I help you with today?
No. Please get the pronunciation correct. It's Roman for me, and for you, it's Marcelo.
Apologies for that, Roman. And I'm Marcello. What can I do for you today?
Marcelo.